guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have action play sets. There's a fire department, an airport, a space station, and we're gonna open the construction set today. This set comes with lots of traffic signs. We have parking, no entry, no right turn, go straight ahead, give way, slow, stop, caution limit, caution signs. We have do not enter signs. We have pedestrian crossing signs, and we have railroad crossing. We also have 3 different workers. Here's a man with a jackhammer. Here's a man with a pickaxe, and a man with a shovel. Just right there, we can have lots of fun, but we are not done yet. Let's make some space. Oh look, it's our tracked excavator. That's a really nice mighty machine. Oh, here's our next mighty machine. It's a cement mixer. He looks like he's ready to work hard too. Should we take him to the job site? Yay! Look, we have an articulated loader. He'll be a great help at our job site. I wonder how many more trucks we have. Look, it's a dump truck. There's another dump truck. He's bigger and has more space. It looks like our job site is getting crowded. I wonder how many more trucks we have. Oh, it's a utility truck. He's really big. Let's see if he'll fit somewhere on our job site. Ooh, it's pretty tight in there. Wow, there's so much in this set. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.